Alright teachers, this is a video showing you how to disable the discussion boards that students can start on Canvas. So get into any class you're going to do this for, and you're going to click on your class, and once you're here you'll go over to the discussion side over here, click on discussions. Okay, once you're there, you will click on the gearbox up here, and then where it says student settings, uncheck this box where it says create discussion topics. That will stop students from being able to start their own discussion that may not have anything to do with your subject. And then hit save, and you're done.